how do we prove why AI made a decision, or how did it come to that decision? That's where we have decision lineage in our TrustHouse. Let's go to decision lineage. Every AI decision should be transparent and explainable. That's where this decision lineage helps you out. For example, let me search for this particular node called payment type analysis, because I've asked this user query multiple times, and I want to see how it came to that particular decision. Let me click on this particular user query dot. When I click on its downstream, I can see the request that it has invoked. And when I click on its upstream, I can see that it is secured with a gateway request. When I click on it, it says that this is passed through this secure gateway request. When I expand on this request, I can see what policy it is governed by. I can see that it is governed by policy version v9. And when I check its upstream, I can see the policy that it belongs to. So it belongs to this particular policy, bulk data extraction prevention. When I move forward, I can see that it executes an API schema path. As I further move downstream, I can see that it reads a table. So, with just a user query, I was able to see the policies that it is governed by and also the tables that it read data from. We can trace every AI response through the APIs that were invoked, the data sources that were accessed, and the final response that is returned to the user. We can also see that when a particular user query is governed by a policy, we can see the results or the signal results that have been encountered when this particular request is governed by a policy. I can see the complete traceability and auditability over here. So far, we have governed AI at runtime, but trustworthy AI depends on trustworthy data. If we don't understand where the underlying data comes from, how it's transformed, or whether it's reliable, we can't truly trust AI outputs. That's where TrustHouse extends beyond AI governance into data governance. Let's go to our data catalog. TrustHouse automatically discovers enterprise data across cloud providers and builds a centralized metadata catalog. For example, let me choose AWS and then Postgres. I can move forward to account, region, and latest crawl time and see the instance that is present for this particular region. I can see all the databases and schemas that are present inside the database. At any point, we have an AI-generated description which looks at the schema structure and the key schemas that are present in this database, provides technical notes, and also provides sensitive information that is found here. Understanding where data exists is not enough. We also want to understand the confidence in the data. That is where we have data quality. Data quality measures the quality of data across 6 dimensions: accuracy, completeness, consistency, uniqueness, timeliness, and validity. TrustHouse continuously measures data quality before data is consumed by AI. It has historical runs of executions. You can run the data quality on any part of the data that you have. You can upload your own data quality rules and run the data quality steward. Every execution is traceable, and you can see at what process that particular execution is. Organizations can continuously monitor quality trends in the data quality section and define business-specific quality rules to get to this goal. Finally, this is how TrustHouse provides end-to-end trust for enterprise AI. We begin by discovering AI assets across the organization through the AI catalog. We define organization-specific governance policies through the risk engine. We enforce those policies in real time using the secure AI gateway. We provide a complete explanation through decision lineage. And because trustworthy AI depends on trustworthy data, TrustHouse also provides a centralized data catalog, continuous data quality monitoring, and end-to-end data lineage together. These capabilities give organizations the confidence to deploy AI securely, responsibly, and at enterprise scale. Thank you.